Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Kenneth, and I've been talking about PiggyBank or PiggyVest for a while now. And today, I want to show you how to save lock. Now, I'm logged into my PiggyVest account, and I have a total savings of 327,192.75 naira. So I want to save lock. I want to save lock 325,000, and I'm going to do this, and you're going to see how my interest is going to be paid to me upfront. Now, this is what my PiggyFlex account is right now. This is the amount there, 143 naira. Okay, so now I'm going to do Safelock. So here I'm going to say lock funds, amount to lock / invests. I'm going to do 320,000 naira, no, 325,000. Yeah, the funding source should be my PiggyBank. Title, what should I title this as? Let me say Safelock for June, because I want to Safelock this to payback date should be 29th of June, because the next withdrawal date is 30th of June. So I want my money to come back on the 29th so I can cash out on the 30th. Oh, if I put it on the 30th of June as well, I will get 1.72% of this cash. So quickly, let me go to Google and see 1.72% of 325,000 naira. So I would know what my interest is upfront. So 1.72% of 325,000. Oh, so I'll get 5,687 naira. That's good. That's good enough. The time frame is not that much. So I think today is the 4th of May. So that's roughly 2 months. Okay, so let me go back to PiggyVest, and where is it again? That's July. I'm looking for June 30th. Then click to preview. Oh, I didn't have to go that far. The interest is here already. Interest to earn 5,581 naira. 325,000 naira to lock. Matures in your PiggyBank. Lock duration 57 days. That's almost 2 months. Maturity 30th of June. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to tap to create Safelock. So it's creating my Safelock, and boom, successful. So I just got a notification. Yeah, the first Safelock I did was this, the house rent money 300k. I cashed that out 30th of March. That was last month. Now I'm doing another Safelock to be matured 30th of June. So for this other one I did, this one that is grayed out here, the interest earned was 6,018 naira. Excuse me. 6,018 naira, if you can see it here with my pointer, and this one is 5,581 naira. So I've safe locked 325k to 30th of June. All right, 9:39 a.m. this money would come back to my account. Okay, so that's that, and I would go back. Now my safe lock has updated. I now have 325k in there, and what's left in my piggy bank is 2,000 naira. Now let me go over to my piggy flex. So in my piggy flex right now I have 5,725.15 naira. So I'm going to withdraw this money right now. I'm going to say use flex. I'm going to send it to my piggy bank. And how much am I going to send? I'm going to send 5,700 naira. Yeah, my PiggyVest password is this. Okay, so this has been successful, and I've sent the money from my piggy flex to the piggy bank. So I'll go back. Now my piggy flex is about to update. It just updated, and you see recent activities going on right here, so you know you can track activities. Okay, so I'll go back to my piggy bank, and it has updated to 7,749 naira. So that is it, guys. That's how you save lock money, and that's how you earn interest. You see, the interest was given to me, instantly, so I didn't have to wait till the money comes back to my account before I earn the interest. So I can now use this interest to maybe go see a movie or do something with it, but I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave it in my piggy bank until maybe when I have a need for it. So that's it, guys. Please sign up for PiggyVest if you find this video informative. I'm going to share the link for you to sign up, and the good thing about this link is, let me go back to my this thing. If you scroll all the way down here, you'd see 500 naira for you and 500 naira for your friends. So you are my friend, and if I share my link to you, which I've done, the link is in the description. If you sign up with my link, you get 500 naira because I referred you, because you signed up using my link. And also for my work, for my good work, I get 500 naira as well. So we both have to share 1,000 naira, 500 naira for you, 500 naira for me, for trying out PiggyVest. And guys, PiggyVest is a very trusted app. So I've used this app over and over again. I've been using it to save. I've been using it to invest in the Safelock, keep some money I don't want to touch for a particular amount of time, and when that time has matured, I get my money back. I've gotten my interest before time. It's really cool. It's really cool, guys, and it really helps me save. It's The Safelock feature is a very disciplinary one, and I can't touch that money until it is matured. That's how the kind of discipline it instills in you. Like I've tried to save on my with my local bank, like put the money there, but as long as I can see it, I have my ATM card and I have access to it, I would always want to take out 5k, 10k, 20k, and before you know it, the money just keeps going down, 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 until I don't know what I did with it anymore. So I'll just prefer locking them somewhere that, yeah, it's my money, but I can't touch it. Like, it's that strict. But you don't have to be afraid. Once the time has matured, you get your money back. There are no two ways about it. PiggyVest has been there. There are three, I think these are they are 3 years now. They're marking their 3 years anniversary, and they are very trustworthy. Paystack process their payments, and I got some emails here. Let me look at this. You get notified instantly on activities that goes on. Okay, this is a very new kind of email, but you get the gist, guys. They're always updating their app, they're always updating their services, and their services are becoming better and better as the day goes on. So there's nothing to be afraid of, guys. So that's it. I'm going to wrap this up, and just make sure you try out PiggyVest. It's really cool. Use the link in the description below to sign up. I'm going to share the link also in the comments so you'd see it. I think that should be the first comment with the link. So sign up to PiggyVest, get your 500 naira from the link, and start saving and investing today. All right, bye guys.